Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable explicit content on Spotify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Spotify app. And then you can see this settings button or icon on the upper right corner of your screen. And then here, you just want to click explicit content, and then make sure that you toggle this switch on. So here you just need to authenticate to allow explicit content, and once you've done that, you're good to go. And that's easy. And I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.